chopped up car like that Buick LeSabre thing.
Well, the beehive canopy.
Thank you for the candy.
You cannot take the whole time saying Nick.
I remember, I actually used to be in Cub Scouts and I used to make candy. Have you ever made that rock candy before? That's really good.
I put sugar in
I used to make, have you ever made that rock candy before?
Oh yeah. I can
Thank you.
buy some smaller.
I used to be in Cub Scouts. I actually used to be in karate too. But that was before I was in junior high.
Where is everybody?
They're outside.
I gotta get rolling in a minute.
Yeah, I do too.
So are you driving all the way home or staying in a hotel?
Oh, I gotta say, I got an hour drive to the hotel. My house is 10 hours from here.
Oh wow.
So, yeah, I got an hour drive now to the hotel. I'm exhausted.
Yeah,
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, it was nice seeing you.
I'm staying in Richmond. I booked a hotel last night.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
I'll definitely be at the PA meeting next year.
Oh, for sure. That's always a good time.
Yeah.
Man, this thing hauls. This is somewhat similar to my childhood one. I'd prefer it if it was. I'd like to buy it. This one's old. This one's newer. It's 3 speeds. That thing hauls ass. It's wonderful.